Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have a ton of amazing deals at Home Depot. We're talking 20, 30 deals we're going to go through in this video. Everything will be linked down below. Black Friday has definitely come early when it comes to the Home Depot deals. Also, if you are not already a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell. Bell ringers get the best deals. Everyone else is left with the scraps because things can sell out at any time. First deal we have is the Milwaukee M18 Cordless Oscillating Tool Kit. This comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery and charger. Normally sells for $199, but is at a special buy for $99. Of course, you're going to get free shipping with that. Now for this one, we get a free item with our purchase. So it's the M12 6 amp hour battery starter kit. Comes with the charger. It's $199, and keep in mind, if you were paying full retail for just one of these 6 amp hour batteries, they're about $100 a piece anyway. And if we look at our free items options, we can get the rocket LED light, we can get the 3/8 cordless ratchet, we have the job site radio, we could get another, oh here they're 120 listed here, another 6 amp hour battery, circular saw for $149, or the hex impact driver for $129. Here we have the Husky Socket Accessory Set. It's a 19-piece set. You see you get the universals, you get the different adapters, all the different extensions. Normally $40.97, special buy $24.97. You can see right now it is not available for ship to home, but you can buy online and pick up in store. A lot of these deals are going to be around for a while. They're just going to go in and out of stock throughout, so you're going to have to keep an eye on it if you see something you like, or obviously the buy online pick up in store option. Next we have the Husky double speed adjustable wrench set. It's a 3-piece set. You're getting the 6-inch, the 8-inch, and the 10-inch. Of course, all Husky tools have a lifetime warranty, and you just bring it into the store, they give you a new one super easy, not like Craftsman now where they actually mail it out or something. It's ridiculous. $12.97 is the current price. The normal price of $24.97, so almost half price on the adjustable wrench set. Here we have the Dewalt 6-gallon 18-gauge brad nailer and heavy-duty Pancake air compressor combo kit. So you're getting that hose, the nailer, and the air compressor for $179. And I can show you this same kit at CPO is currently selling for $229. Here we have the Husky Scraper Set. It is a 4-piece set, normally $20 down to $9.97. You get free shipping on this one. Here we have the Husky Locking Plier Set. It is a 3-piece set. You get the 7-inch, the 10-inch, and the 6.5-inch. Normally $23 down to $12.97, and again, free shipping. Another item that you can buy online and pick up in store, but is not currently available for ship to home. It's the Husky Mechanic Tool Set. This is a 270-piece set. $99 is the special buy price. This same item had the same discount in November of last year. See, you're getting all those sockets, 3 ratchets, set of wrenches up top there, a bunch of the bits. Here we have a Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty Alloy Steel Screwdriver Bit Set with the pack-out case. This is a 100-piece set, normally sells for $100, is now on sale for $49.99. If we look at International Tool, you can see they sell it for $99.99. Acme Tools has it for $99.99. And CPO has it for whatever half of $174 is. Next up, we have the Dewalt Tough System 22-inch mobile toolbox. Normally sells for $106, on sale for $59. This is a really good deal. Free shipping, obviously. And then over at Acme Tools, they're selling it for $100. Zorro has it for $101, and Tool Up selling it for $93.62. Here we have the Dewalt Max Fit steel screwdriving bit set with the right angle adapter. Currently a special buy at $14.88, and we're going to keep our fingers crossed that it comes back in stock at some point. Milwaukee 19-ounce wood milled face hickory framing hammer. It's a 19-ounce hammer, normally $25.97, now special buy of $14.97. Acme Tools has it for $25, CPO $26, and Tool Barn $26. Here we have the Milwaukee Fastback folding utility knife with blade storage and compact folding utility knife 2-pack. Normally $20 down to $14.97. Acme Tools has it for $20. Tool Barn sold out. Northern Tool, $20. And this was another deal that was the same price of the holiday season last year. Dewalt 15-foot, 1,000-pound band clamp with nylon band, normally $20, down to $14.97. Here's another repeater from last year, the Husky SAE and metric ratcheting wrench set with stubby wrenches, normally $129, down to $59.88. You see all the wrenches you get in the stubbies and the full size. They are 12-point, not reversible. I don't believe there's any offset there. It looks pretty straight to me. We do get the handy-dandy arrow telling you which way it goes, though. Here's the Dewalt 10-compartment Deep Pro small parts organizer, normally $20, down to $9.98. Tractor Supply sells it for $20. Acme Tools has it for $14.97. And CPO has it for $25.99. Keep in mind, none of those guys will ship it to you for free like Home Depot will when it's back in stock for online orders. Well, for ship-to-home orders. Here we have a Ryobi deal, the 18-volt cordless 4-tool combo kit with 2 batteries, and the bonus impact rated driving kit. That's a 70-piece kit. Normally $218.97, but a special buy of $139 for all of that. If we look at the website, in January 2021, this kit was on sale for $139. In June 2021, this kit was $129 without the driving kit. Next up is the Milwaukee 9-in-1 square drive ratcheting multi-bit screwdriver with the 8-in-1 compact ratcheting multi-bit screwdriver. Normally $28, now on sale for $20. Our first Makita deal for the video, the Makita 18-volt X2 LXT 5-amp-hour lithium-ion 36-volt brushless cordless rear handle 7¼ inch circular saw kit. Normally $349 down to $249. And we do get a free gift with this. Look, we get 15 options. We get the blower, vacuum, a drill, impact driver, angle grinder, the drywall screwdriver, the router be kind of a cool option. We get a sander, an inflator, jigsaw. Man, a lot of options here. Reciprocating saw, 2 different reciprocating saws. I don't know what the difference is in the two. You got the oscillating tool, another cordless vacuum, and another angle grinder. If we look at some of the comparables for that kit, you see $349 without a free item at Acme, $349 no free item at CPO, and $349 with no free item at Tool Nut. Here we have a Dewalt free item deal for you. It's the 20-volt max XR premium lithium-ion starter kit. You're getting a 6-amp-hour battery, the 4-amp-hour battery, the charger, and the bag. Selling for $199 with a free item. And your options are the blower, the task light, angle grinder, circular saw, reciprocating saw, little sander, the router, jigsaw, oscillating tool, a flex volt battery, which if you needed the battery, those dang things are expensive, the orbital sander. And then if we look over at Acme Tools, they have the same deal. You're also going to get free shipping from Acme, so we'll see if the lineup looks any different. It looks about the same, maybe even less stuff. And tool up $199 with no free item. Here we have the Milwaukee M18 Starter Kit. You're getting 2 5-amp-hour batteries and a free item with this also. So it's $199. Let's look at our free item options. Orbital sander, we don't want that. We don't want the multi-tool as a free item. The blower, maybe. Router wouldn't be a bad option. You got your drywall screw gun. I wouldn't go with the hacksaw either. Jigsaw is a good option there. Don't go with the impact driver. Maybe the rover light, but... Or we have the job site speaker. Now if we look at the comparables, Tool Barn has $285.99. Doesn't look like any free tool coming from them. And $279.88 from International Tool. No free item there either. Looks like this one's completely out of stock from when I first got it posted. The Milwaukee 4-port sequential charger. Normally $99 down to $59. I guess we can keep an eye on it and see if it comes up, but I have to be less hopeful with that one. Here we have the Milwaukee Holedozer Bimetal Hole Saw Sawzall Blade Screwdriver Bit Set with Pack-Out Compact Organizer. That's a mouthful. 120 piece, normally $229.96. Currently a special buy for $94.97. Getting both of those cases, all the bits, the hole saws. We have the Ryobi 18-volt 7¼ inch compound miter saw, normally $149 down to $99. I'd love to give myself a cordless miter saw. So at one time when this was posted, it was supposed to come with an electromagnetic sprayer too, but it looks like they may have removed that portion. The Ryobi 18 volt 4 amp hour battery 2-pack, normally $198. That's a special buy $79. So here we have another Husky tool set. Remember earlier in the video it was a 270 piece for basically $100. This one's 290 piece for $149. Maybe in the future we can do a video breaking down the differences of the two, but if you're interested, make sure that it's worth paying another $49 for those 20 pieces that you're going to get, or maybe the other one's sold out and you are not super confident it'll come back in stock. Here we have the Dewalt Atomic 20 volt max cordless brushless 4.5 inch circular saw, normally $149 down to $99. We can see Tool Nut has it for some price that I am blind and can't find. Oh, currently unavailable. Well, now I see it. And CPO has it for $99, and Acme Tools $99. For the rigid people out there, we got the 18 volt octane cordless brushless 3/8 inch impact wrench kit. You're getting a 2 amp hour battery with that and the charger, normally $199 down to $119. And another rigid deal, the 18 volt cordless 3 tool kit with octane brushless router, jigsaw, and a random orbit sander, normally $259 down to $179. Here we have the Ryobi 18 volt cordless tool 2-tool combo kit, the drill driver, impact driver, batteries, charger, and you're getting a 65 piece drill kit, normally $151 down to $89. Here we have the Milwaukee M12 1/4 inch hex screwdriver kit. That's coming with two 1.5 amp hour batteries, charger in the bag, normally $99 down to $69. Acme Tools also $69, CPO $74.99, and Tool Barn $101.99. What the hell are they doing? So that is all the amazing deals for this video, guys. All the links are down below. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and click the bell. The bell ringers get the best deals. Thanks for watching.